Hello and good morning. I am really excited because I got an order sorry about that, from Unique Vintage. Now, lately I've been getting further away from ordering clothing because I've just been making my own clothes, but to say that the stars aligned for this particular instance would be an understatement. Not only was this item on clearance, but it was also checking nostalgia boxes for me, and I couldn't pass it up. What could I be talking about? Well, a skirt. It's Emily the Strange. Oh, Emily the Strange I was obsessed with her while I was in college. Um, she came out in 2001. That's when all of her merchandise was really hitting the stores like Spencer's and Oz and all those kind of alt shops from back in the day. And I started college in 2000, so I was just right there when she launched, and I just hook, line, and sinker. So when I saw this skirt, I could not resist it. Oh, it's just a circle skirt, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at it. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. Okay, the zipper's on the side and there's a little button. Oh, I am so excited to style this. So, I'm gonna go do my hair, I'm gonna go put on my face, and I'm gonna get started with this. Back in a flash. Okay, so it wasn't until after I had finished this video that I realized that my mic decided to just cop out on me. So, yeah, I apologize for that. Basically, what I'm talking about here is just reiterating how the stars just aligned for this purchase of mine, because usually I will either thrift my clothing or I will just make it myself. I haven't really bought clothing brand new for myself in a really long while. But like I said, I could not resist this opportunity when it presented itself to me. And it just took me back to the days of yore when Hot Topic was kind of scary and gritty, and Oz was still around, and the same could be said for Spencer's being kind of scary and gritty and just really in their heyday. And yeah, I couldn't believe my luck when I stumbled upon the skirt. It was not only on clearance, but it was also in my size. So that, combined with the nostalgia, was just the perfect trifecta that simply could not be ignored. So, yeah. Now, without further ado, here's the reveal. Now, I haven't had an outfit to really go with those shoes since I got them. And I just love the way the skirt twirls. It twirls like a dream. And the design is just beyond cute, beyond adorable. I will have to get some red flats for a more casual look. I do realize that. And it's at this point that I realize that the skirt has pockets. I was not aware of the pockets when I bought the skirt, and That was Hufflepuff in the background. I'm really sorry that you can't hear me full on freaking out with joy and just ecstasy at having pockets in the skirt. This perfect skirt just got even more perfect because of the pockets. And yeah, just happy dancing, happy squeeing, just my entire day, my entire month, year, whatever you want to consider it to be, it has just been made. And you can tell by my face just how happy I am. And again, I am really sorry that my mic conked out. And I mean, I suppose I could have re-recorded it, but then it wouldn't have been genuine. And I don't like to lie to you guys. I like to think that we're developing a rapport. So yeah, I apologize for the technical difficulties, but hey, what are you going to do? And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I know that I most certainly will be enjoying the rest of mine. Toodles!